Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be talking about how to fix Instagram Reels lag problem. For you to be able to fix your Instagram Reels lag problem, this is what you have to do. Open your Instagram this way, tap on your profile. This is the interface of my profile, Instagram profile. The next thing I have to do is to tap at the three dots at the right corner of the screen, then look for data usage. This is my data usage and media quality. So when I tap on it, I'll make sure that my data saver is off, because if my data saver is on, it won't allow the loading of video in advance to help to last, and it will not save my data. Look at what the write up here says. It says when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance and to help you use less data. So it is better that your data storage saver is off. The next thing you have to do is to go to out from your Instagram page, go and look for your settings. So this is my settings. On my settings, I'll be tapping on app management. So on app management, I'll tap on app list. Then on app list, I will search for, sorry, I'll search for Instagram. Sorry, Instagram. Okay. So this is Instagram. I'll tap on Instagram. Below this menu, this interface, you will see where they say storage cache. No. So tap on storage cache. Then below it, you will see clear cache and clear storage. Tap on clear cache. Make sure your cache is being cleared. So that is what I'm doing now. So the next thing you have to do is to go out from there. Then now, another method you can easily use to fix your Instagram reel lag problem is to uninstall the app by tapping steadily on Instagram, then take the second option, which is uninstall. After uninstalling it, you can now go to your Play Store. So my Play Store, and search for Instagram this way. So when it brings out the option here, you can tap on install to install a new Instagram and give it all your information. Enter all your information in it. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. It will be helpful to this video. And do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.